you how to make a composite photo using Photoshop Element 9. First thing you want to do is select 2 images of your favorite athletes, actors, etc. Make sure these images are high quality. Next thing you want to do is select a background. Make sure this image is high quality also. Next, you want to go back to these images and get the quick selection brush, and you want to select the head and shoulders. If you get too much, you can press Alt and it'll deselect it. Then you'll press Ctrl C, go to the background layer, press Ctrl V, and then you can move this image anywhere using the Move tool. Then you go to your other image, use the quick selection brush and select it. Now you press Ctrl C, go to the background layer, press Ctrl V. Then you can use the Move tool to resize it if you need to. Once you're done resizing it, you can press the green check mark. And if you want to, you can add an adjustment layer by going to Layer, clicking this, and then clicking on one of these. And that is how you make a composite photo using Photoshop Element 9.